Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can monetize your Instagram account. In order to do so, first off, here we are in the Instagram app. The first thing we want to do is select the profile icon at the bottom right hand corner, and then we want to select the three lines up at the top right hand corner. Then from here, if you have never set up a professional account, then what you're looking for is you're looking for the Creator Tools option. If you select that, then here you're going to see that it says monetization status. Now, if you have not set up the professional account yet, then you're going to want to do that. And once you've done that and you come back here, then creator tools and controls, then here where it says monetization status, we're going to go ahead and select that. And it says you're able to monetize. So that is good news. And that's all there is to it. If you are interested in monetizing, this is how you can go about that. And if you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.